Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, corporate chef for United Family of Stores. Today I'm going to be talking about some fresh ideas using holiday leftovers. One great idea using leftover dressing is to do stuffed mushrooms. Here I simply sauteed the mushroom caps, removed the stem, and put the stuffing inside the mushroom topped with a little Parmesan cheese. We'll just put these in the oven to bake. Another great idea for leftover dressing is to stuff chicken breast or pork loin. Have any leftover cranberry relish? I love putting this in a smoothie. Just add it as your fruit in any of your favorite smoothie recipes. Another great idea for sweet potatoes is to make sweet potato cakes. They go great with a steak or any savory side dish. Thanks for watching. For more holiday tips, check out our website.